Tainted a picture of us now, forever forgive. Cause little Missy Misery set foot in the ocean but never the sea.
If your spirit is going to be around for eternity and your physical body is here for maybe 80 years, then of course take care of your body is a temple, but you should be taking your spiritual life just as seriously. And that's not just on this workshop, that's afterwards as well. But on this workshop, what can you do to help strengthen your spirit? You can listen to the lectures, so you guys are doing a great job of that now. And of course, participate in the activities. Don't just half commit to the activities. I want you to fully invest into this workshop.
Shake my head and change the way I think of the way I feel, 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 the way I feel. Cold to her heart, I will offer my shield. The sour has turned into sweet. Let not the weeds in this garden grow tall, for they will choke the lemon tree. Sand to stone. Maybe I'll grow up, maybe I won't.
Like True Father has often said, we can never actually pinpoint when a season changes, but when we look back, we can see, oh, actually, I'm now in a different place than I was before, and we understand that, okay, I'm now in a different season in my life. If you think about the plants and animals and creation, when winter comes, they don't question why winter's there. They don't question how long it's going to last. They don't question how they're going to survive, but they know that the current season is important. They do what is needed in that season, and they endure any difficulty because they know that soon a new season will come around with different purposes and different intentions. And so they trust this. They're part of nature, they're part of God's creation, and they have that trust. They don't question, they don't doubt, right? It's very natural. So if I have that attitude to my life, I can feel that even though I may be experiencing a lot of difficulty, there's a purpose that my struggle will serve in the future. Even if it's painful and doesn't make sense right now, I trust that God is guiding the seasons of my life and working out all things for my good in the end, even though it may not seem like that right now.
Cold to her heart, I will offer my shield. The sour has turned into sweet. Let not the weeds in this garden grow tall, for they will choke the lemon tree. I felt it from the start. It grew inside my heart. It changed me from that day. This love I can't contain. I waited for a sign, so patient and divine, for fate was on our side. That day I came to find that you are You're planted in my soul to nurture